Hello everyone, today we are taking a look at 335 Foggy Lane, located in the community of Lighthouse Point in Port Orange, Florida. This is a 2-bed, 2-bath manufactured home with a split floor plan. Right up here you have a nice screen room. Nice keypad entryway lock. Stepping inside. To the right here is your living room. Elevated ceilings. Accented wall. Back here is your first bedroom. The closet. Right through here is your first bath with a stand-up shower. And here's your kitchen area. Back down the hallway here is your second bedroom. Closet for storage. And here is your second bath, walk-in shower. Right back here through your back door. Covered patio, storage shed. Equipped with your washer and dryer. Plenty of storage for your tools and stuff. So come on down, check it out. It is 335 Foggy Lane, located in Lighthouse Point in Port Orange, Florida.